Raider Nation. Alright, I'm at home right now. I want to show you some of the stuff I got from Big Jason. He's a tattoo artist and regular artist out of California. He sent me some of his prints. So I want you to see what he sent. Alright, so we got Charles Woodson here. Raider Nation. Bo Jackson. Then we got Darren Wall, D-Wall, Jonathan Abrams, and then Coach Chucky. So I got these from, Big Jason, he's a tattoo artist. If you go, you can follow him at Big Jason on Instagram. And I think he has a website, bigjason.com. And you see Jason is spelled J-A-S-E-N. So check him out. He does some really good work. And I think he does this in ink, if I'm not mistaken. So that's even harder than pencil. Could be wrong, but I thought I read that he does them in ink. I mean, look at just the detail of the shirt. I mean, it looks like it's real. So this is much appreciated. It's a Big Jason, thank you. And anyone watching, go check out his page. If you want some of these prints, he does have them for sale on his page. Looking good. I gotta get some framed up, get them hung up. Thanks, Big Jason. Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders headquarters, the Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center. So I am on the south side right now. It is Sunday, July 12th, 2020. It is about 6:45 a.m. 95 degrees already. Today we're supposed to get about 113, 114. That's why I'm coming out early, because it's too hot to be walking around during the daytime. Alright, so here's the side with the field. Again, you can't see anything. You can see they got the fencing up. I'm back a little farther than I normally am, like down more towards the end of the property, so you can see a little bit of the grass here. And then this is the back. A lot of equipment. Okay, so that's the back side. I'm gonna work my way to the front. They're actually here today. They're the only crew that I saw out there. They're working on the base for the L. Davis Memorial Torch. Looks like they're getting the black finish on the base now. So we're gonna head that way. Let me swing around. We'll show the stadium from here. Alright, so you can see the strip down here. That's actually the tower at McCarran Airport. I think that's the Circa downtown. So from this view you can actually see that's all downtown area over there. There's the Strat. As you can see, we're not getting all that radiant heat coming up off the ground right now. Alright, there's Legion Stadium. Try zooming in more. It's actually getting pretty good view today. So video screen will be right there underneath where it says Allegiant Stadium. That's the giant Prism View Media Mesh screen. Alright, so that's 12 miles north of here. There you go. Alright, I'm going to go walk down Raiders Way on the east side of the building so we could go check out that torch. Alright, I'm still on the south side, just moved down a little. I wanted to see if I could read. They have some stuff on the fences here. Alright, I'll have to wait till I download it. I can't read it on the viewfinder. I'm sure it says private property, keep out, or something like that. So that's right along the practice field. I'm actually going to swing around. They were building this giant warehouse. And this whole area is going to be like warehouse type area. But they finally put on, can't see the whole building. There's this dirt in front of it, but this is a big giant Amazon warehouse. You can see the Amazon logo right there. I did hear they were building one out here. I just didn't know where it was. So this is, they said they're going to employ like 1,200 people, permanent positions. Because that was on the news a couple weeks ago. So that's going to be a lot of people trying to get in over there. I think I heard they start at the lowest entry level job is $15 an hour. Okay, I'm now on the southeast end. So here are the offices, the main headquarters. And then we got the field house back here. I'm still getting a few comments asking if they have an indoor field. Well, that's what this giant building is. It has a 100-yard field and a 50-yard field. So 1.5 fields are inside. And then if we pan to the left, the outside, you can see some of the field there. There's 3 outdoor fields, and that's on the south side of the property. So right here, this is the south entrance, the south drive. That is like the employee entrance. And you can see they have a security booth there, just checking on anyone coming in. And right now, if someone's coming in, they actually, you know, for the virus, they're checking temperatures and stuff. I just saw someone go in there and security comes out and has the handheld thermometer to check temperatures. There's a few cars parked in front. It's probably all security, being it's a Sunday. I don't think any of the coaching staff is here right now. And then, if you guys haven't seen it yet, you could just search it. I saw it all over the internet yesterday, but John Gruden, he gave a message to all the construction workers at Allegiant Stadium, and they played it on the giant video screen inside the stadium. They said that was the first video and audio to play through that system, so it's pretty cool. He was just thanking them for building it and saying they're, you know, in the last stretch of the game. Alright, let me walk down, get a little closer to that torch. Alright, so I'm just looking down here in the parking lot. I don't remember seeing this in here before, but they got like this portable office. You see this portable trailer here. I don't remember that being there before, but I could be wrong. And this building here, that's the locker rooms, training room facility. I still haven't heard when they're going to officially open the place, because you remember there is a Raider image store in there, so I can't wait to go in there and be able to check this place out. You know, at least we'll be allowed in that front lobby area where the store's going to be. Let's see, it should say Raider image on the sign. Yep, there it is. And guest parking. Alright, so you notice this sign says Las Vegas Raiders. So this, you know, is the Raiders headquarters in the front, but then if you go to the side, let's see if I could zoom in on this one. Because all these other signs say the Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center. And you can see it's the loading dock. So that's the North Drive there. Alright, we are now on the east side looking at the main entrance of the building. So you can see they have a crew here today actually working on the base. It's looking good. We got the Raiders black. Alright, so it looks like he's putting some kind of coat of stucco or something, but I know when I was out here last week they had the silver on the bottom, but now it looks like they're covering it up. So you can see how it's got a reflection, so I don't know if it's like a painted finish or if it's some kind of panels. It doesn't look like it's panels. this over here where this pickup is sitting, this is the north entrance. From here, we zoom back, you can see that that's an Amazon warehouse all the way back there. So I did have some people also ask me about that original Raiders Way street sign. I'm gonna see if we could see it from here. I don't know if we can. Nope, I don't think so. I think it's behind that big tree down here. Yeah, it's right back there, but the the sign is still there. It's kind of tall, so they can't really get to it unless you cut the whole pole down. Alright, guess that's all we got for today. The main thing is the base is still getting its finish on it. So if you're not subscribed and you want to keep getting updates on the headquarters as well as the Raiders Allegiant Stadium, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. And then I also have Instagram account. You can follow me at Duntov67. So Raider Nation, everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you guys next time.